Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's video. I thought that I would make a short, quick video on updates regarding my cryptocurrency investments so that you can make a call for yourself whether investing in cryptocurrencies would make sense for you. So I'm going to honestly share what I've been doing in the crypto market, what I plan to do next, and whether or not you should be getting into this game at this stage, right? So let me first and foremost show you my crypto investment that I have made via Vauld. So this is the investment that you can see. I started making all these live investments in front of you. So in case you have missed those videos, check the links in the description box. You can check the dates. So essentially the summary is that as of now, at the time of shooting this video, I had invested 2,50,000 in my crypto investments. That investment right now is 2,95,555. Now you would see that, hey Akshat, this 955.90, that's interest earned. So how are you earning interest on your cryptos? So I'm doing it by doing a fixed deposit on my crypto investments. And how to do fixed deposit on cryptos? Check this video. I have done it. I have shown you live and you can take a look at it. Now I know that many of you would be saying that, hey Akshat, just 2.5 lakhs. You have been investing so much money in stock market. You buy like 30 lakhs worth of stock, this, that. So okay, please hear me out. First point, this is not my only crypto investment. I have been making investment in cryptos for a substantial period of time now. I have tried out almost all the exchanges and platforms. Some exchanges and platforms are so bad that I can't even take a picture of it and post it because there is no way for me to track the data also. Now I'm showing you Vauld based investment because this is the investment that I started doing live in public with you, right? So that's the reason why I'm disclosing this portfolio and I will continue to disclose this portfolio. Now the objective of this video is not for me to boast that hey, I made like 25-30% return in just a month time in crypto. No, please don't believe in all that sensationalism. That is not the objective of this video at all. That is not the point. There are some very important points and concepts that I would like to cover here. So let me go step by step. So which crypto assets I have invested in and why? So I have only invested in 3 so far. One is Ethereum, one is Bitcoin, and one is Polygon Matic. So these are 3 coins that I have invested all my money in. That's it, right? These 3 coins. I have not bought Cardano. I have not bought Dogecoin. I have not bought any of the other coins. Why? Because I am a long-term player in the crypto market. Why? Again, I believe in the underlying value of Ether. I believe in the underlying intrinsic value of Bitcoin. So I am a long-term investor. Therefore, I'm buying assets that I truly understand at this stage. So what are the assets that I understand? I don't claim to understand the entire crypto market, but I'm very genuinely telling you that I have a fair bit of understanding about Bitcoin. I have a fair bit of understanding about Ethereum. And right now I have invested very little money in Polygon Matic. These are 3 coins that I'm investing in. Will I be adding more coins like Cardano to my portfolio? Maybe, I don't know as of now, right? I'm studying the market. I will keep sharing the research that I'm doing and what steps I'm taking. So please follow along with that. Now, which brings me to the next important point that, hey Akshat, why are you making investments via Vauld? Is Darshan, the co-founder of Vauld, your cousin, right? I'm not kidding. This is the question that I got. So no, Darshan is not my cousin. I had the opportunity to speak with him on your behest. All of you asked me that go grab hold of someone from Vauld's management team and ask them tough question. So the link is in the description box. Please go and check. I had done that interview. It's on my IGTV. Please go and watch the entire video. But if you want a very quick summary and if you ask me point blank that, hey Akshat, why are you investing via Vauld? Why not some other crypto platform? There are older crypto platforms. So let me cover some important points here. 1. Almost all the crypto platforms are new. Why? Because cryptocurrencies themselves are new, right? So it's not a very mature market as of now. So of course the exchanges, all the systems that are coming up, they are new. That's point 1. Number 2, I have tried multiple platforms and I found Vauld's platform or interface to be the best. It's easy to track. So I found it to be useful from that perspective. Number 2, Vauld is backed by something called as Velar Ventures, which is an investment fund backed by Peter Thiel. He invests in really good company. Therefore, I feel confident making my investment. Having said this, because I hear a lot of clicking noises on the keyboard, you will say that, you know what, this video is sponsored, this, that. No, this video is not sponsored. I'm shooting this video genuinely because I'm investing and showing you live every single week that I'm making investment via this platform. Which brings me to the next question. Now, many of you would comment that, hey Akshat, probably Vauld is paying you money because the first time I showed live investment, many people commented that, hey, you know what, 1 lakh rupee would have been paid by Vauld. Incorrect. That was my hard-earned money. Then I made investment again next week and the week after that. And I will continue to make investments week after week. Now trolls will definitely say something. I can't control it. But what I can do is that I can be transparent. I can show you the live investments that I'm making. That is the best I can do for you. And very important, very rational point here is that please make investments via any platform. I don't know why you guys get hung up on which platform you're using. Use any platform that you feel comfortable using. I feel comfortable using Vauld. Since I do it, I say it openly. Similarly, I make investments via Zerodha. I say it openly. Whatever products that I use, I say it openly. So please take it from that perspective. Again, just to repeat the point, please use any platform that you like. Any platform, right? This is not a push that use platform X, platform Y, whatever platform you like. I advocate investing in cryptocurrencies to whom? To investors who have a slightly higher risk-taking profile. This entire discussion loses sheen because we end up discussing platform all the time. So that is not the goal of the video. Please use whatever platform you like. I have researched it. I find it to be comfortable. Therefore, I use Vauld. So I hope you appreciate the transparency here. Now, next point is that what am I going to do next? So I'm going to continue to invest money, majority of my money in Bitcoin and Ethereum as of now. So I will continue to do what? Dollar cost averaging. If you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, here is the video. Please go and watch it. It simply means that in a timely fashion, every 7 to 12 days, I'm going to continue to invest approximately 1 lakh in cryptocurrencies. That also majorly in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that is the game plan for the short term. In case I change this, I will let you know. But this is dollar cost averaging. I'm not trying to time the market. Now Bitcoin or Ethereum can go up, they can come down. I would continue to make this investment in somewhat of an SIP mode. Now let me quickly address a couple of concerns here that many of you say that, hey Akshat, we don't have the type of capital that you show and invest. I'm not pushing you to invest 1 lakh or I'm not pushing you to invest like 50,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 or 100 rupees. Invest whatever you feel like investing. That's point one. Point two is that please do your own due diligence. You can take inputs from me as a part of that due diligence process. So what is it that you need to do your due diligence on, or what are some of the key things that you need to understand? Here are 5 key things that you need to understand right now, whether or not to invest in cryptocurrencies at this juncture. Number 1, please don't go and invest your money in 30 different type of coins. Please identify some useful coins that you see value in and try to play only in those assets. In almost every new coin that comes up, there will be speculation. Why? Not because of the nature of the currency, but the crypto market is very small right now. Therefore, you must only invest in things that you understand. This is the second key point, that only invest in assets that you understand. If you don't understand Bitcoin at all, please educate yourself. If you don't understand Ethereum, please educate yourself. So let me explain this point further. So if you ask me that, hey Akshat, why are you buying Bitcoin and at what price do you see Bitcoin hitting? So what I will say to you is that, hey, I have seen that Bitcoin made its peak at approximately 44,66,000 back in April of 2021. That is when it was at its peak. Then it fell. Now it has started rising again. Currently, it is trading at approximately 36.5 lakh. Right? So the peak was 44.45. Currently, it is trading at 36. There is good 20-25% of more gain to be made in something like Bitcoin, because I'm sure that an asset like Bitcoin will definitely cut its previous high. Right? Now I can get into separate details into this. I will make a separate video. Do comment if you would want me to make that video. But I at least see Bitcoin market hitting 45 lakhs. Now it might happen in 3 months. It might happen in 5 years. It might happen in 10 years. That needs to be seen. We can't estimate the price as of now, but I have my reasons. I have a specific target price in mind. So I'm clear about those things. Next point is that you should trade in cryptocurrencies with the money that you can afford to lose. Right? Because it might very well happen that even something very, very stable like Bitcoin might come down. So invest little bit of money. Don't invest more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio. In my case, I'm a slightly risky investor. So I'm going to go up to 20% of my entire portfolio. In what format? In dollar cost averaging format. Now the final and the most important part, please keep on reading about tech. What is blockchain? Understand it. What are cryptos? Understand it. What is the value behind cryptos? Understand it. What is the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum? Understand it. Educate yourself. It is going to be extremely important. Here is the final thought on this entire crypto game right now, that I'm investing for crypto market looking at the future, right? According to me, in the future, I personally feel that crypto markets will grow. Technologies are evolving. More decentralized apps are being generated. More smart contracts will get structured. More NFTs will come into the picture. So I am quite confident that this market will grow. Therefore, I am investing in the future. Now, future is uncertain. No one can predict it. You can educate yourself. That improves your odds of betting right on the future. I am doing the same as an investor and I am sharing all my strategies with you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you the next time, and please give it a thumbs up and let me know what other crypto videos you would like me to make.